Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Misal. Today I will talk about the legal framework of ADR working in Pakistan. It is important to study this topic because ADR plays an important role in providing access to justice not only in Pakistan but also globally. Firstly, we will discuss what does ADR means. ADR stands for Alternative Dispute Resolution, which is a process of resolution of disputes outside courts. There's include many different processes of ADR working in Pakistan, such as mediation, conciliation, negotiation, arbitration, and neutral evaluation. These methods of ADR are quicker, cost effective, and flexible as compared to litigation, due to which it had great significance, which reduces not only court delays but also court backlogs in Pakistan. Next, I will tell you why legal framework of ADR matters. ADR cannot function properly without law. The legal framework ensures that ADR outcomes are legally enforceable, protects the rights of parties, and provides guidance to judges and ADR practitioners, which helps in integrating ADR into formal justice system in Pakistan. So, the legal framework of ADR in Pakistan includes the following acts. Pakistan has several laws that are supporting ADR. The first one is the ADR Act 2017, which provides a federal framework for the resolution of disputes through ADR. The next is the Punjab ADR Act 2019, which operates at the provincial level for the resolution of disputes. The next is the Arbitration Act 1940, which governs arbitration. Next, the CPC Section 89A that allows court-referred ADR. And lastly, the Family Courts Act 1964, which provides for mediation and conciliation in Pakistan. ADR Act 2017 is the first federal ADR law working in Pakistan, which extends to Islamabad territory. The ADR Act 2017 formally recognizes mediation, arbitration, conciliation, and evaluation. Courts refer civil disputes to ADR only with the consent of parties. The ADR establishes ADR centers, registers neutrals, and ensures confidentiality and enforceability of settlement between the parties for the resolution of disputes. The next is the Punjab ADR Act 2019, which strengthens ADR at a local level in Pakistan. It allows civil and compoundable disputes to be resolved amicably outside courts. Proceedings in this remain confidential, trained professionals are included, and settlements can be enforced as court orders. Then we will understand a short comparison between mediation and conciliation because many people cause wrong with the meaning of mediation and conciliation. Although they both are the same processes, but there is a slightly difference between the process of mediation and conciliation. In mediation, neutral facilitates the discussion between the parties, and it is the parties who decide the outcomes. While on the other hand, in conciliation, neutral not only facilitates discussion among the parties, but it also plays an important role in providing solutions and suggestions for the resolution of disputes among the parties. However, they both are the same, but in mediation, it is considered that it is more informal method as compared to conciliation, and conciliation is slightly more structured as compared to mediation. Next, to ensure the growth of ADR in Pakistan, certain strategic steps are essential to adopt. First, set accreditation standards for neutrals, which will ensure that only qualified and trained mediators and arbitrators handle disputes. Secondly, ensure a code of ethics which will promote fairness, impartiality, and public trust in ADR processes. Then, providing incentives for settlements, which will encourage parties to choose ADR instead of lengthy litigations. Finally, tracking ADR performance data, which will help evaluate effectiveness, improve policies, and strengthens the overall ADR framework. However, legal development includes create consistent legal framework and update statutes and regulate ADR practices nationwide, invest in mediation training centers, and establish ADR centers, which will help to promote access to justice easily in Pakistan. Lastly, enable courts to refer cases to ADR and implement online dispute resolution for faster processes. Finally, in conclusion, I will say that ADR ensures speedy, fair, and accessible justice in Pakistan. A strong legal framework enhances its credibility and effectiveness. With modernization, training, and technology, ADR represents the future of dispute resolutions easily cost effectively and strongly. As rightly said, justice delayed is justice denied. ADR is the solution. Thank you.